convey my sincere thanks and appreciation to each of you. This event has been a long time coming. It's been an event that we wanted to see take off over the past several years. And to say that each of you helped knock it out of the park and get it done today is an understatement. This first year event, this inaugural event, has been outstanding.
We asked me to get involved, and when you told me that the proceeds to this were going directly to student athletes in many different ways, both mental, physical, equipment, uses for the proceeds here will affect the total student athlete body at Neumann. So I think that that's a terrific directive for how we're going to use this money.
And we're pleased to help you guys promote this, and pleased that you did such a great job here today. So congratulations, you helped a lot of people, and that is a great thing.
Thank you so much. We had great people, great organization, we had a great day, and we had a great purpose. And Steve outlined that in his comments. The resources today are going directly to students, are going to help our athletic program at Neumann University. And here at Neumann, our students and our student athletes make a difference in terms of what they offer to our community and also how they support each other. And so today was really a testament to them and all we do here at Neumann.